Of the students in manuals class, 10 like ladybugs, 11 students like centipedes, 6 students like both ladybugs and centipedes. How many students like centipedes but not ladybugs? Copy and complete the Venn diagram below to help you solve the problem. So the circle in green is for the people who like ladybugs and the one in purple is for those who like centipedes. So let's underline the number of students who like each of these. So 10 people like ladybugs and 11 students like centipedes. So that's a total of 10 plus 11, which is 21. Let's write that down. Let's do it in blue. So we have total number of students, which is 11 plus 10, that is 21. Now you might not get how this is important, but let's just progress through the question and things will get a lot easier. So we have this Venn diagram here, or in other words, we have two circles here, and each of these circles represent a certain number of people. Now the green one, as I said, represents the number of people who like ladybugs, so I'm shading this one. So the green is for those who like ladybugs. Now this whole is green, all of this is green. And the purple one is for those who like centipedes. So I'm shading this one now. So this whole circle is for those who like centipedes. But so is this one. You can see that this space right here is an overlapping. So the circle for the people who like ladybugs and the one for those who like centipedes is overlapping. And what we get from that is this region that represents both. That represents both. So the way to solve this question is to move inside out. What that means is we find out the innermost answer first, but that's already given to us. We know that 6 students like ladybugs and centipedes both, and this is that space which represents these people, since both of these circles are overlapping here. Now we get back to the number of people who like ladybugs. The total number of people who like ladybugs is 10, but we haven't been told that 10 people only like ladybugs. We've been told that 10 people like ladybugs, and obviously a certain number from these 10 also likes centipedes, as can be seen. Now what that means is I can't count 10 and 11 and then 6, because if I do that I'm going to count the number of people who like ladybugs and centipedes twice, which we don't want to do. We want to count all of them once and only once. So we have to take out 6 from 10. So if 10 people like ladybugs, 6 of these people also like centipedes. So the number of people who only like ladybugs and not centipedes should be 10 minus 6, which is 4, which is this area, the remaining area of the circle. Similarly, there are 11 students who like centipedes, but nowhere in this question does it mention that these 11 students only like centipedes. There obviously is a number of students from these 11 students who like ladybugs as well, which has been given to us as 6 again. So we do for this circle what we did for the first one. We take out 6 from 11. Since 6 is the number of students who like both of these, we need to find out the number of students who only like centipedes. 11 minus 6 is 5, so this remaining circle is 5 here. It's representing these 5 people. Now let's calculate and count and see if we have the correct number of total people. So, as I said, 10 plus 11 is 21. So we have 6 people who like ladybugs and centipedes. We have 4 people who like ladybugs only, and we have 5 people who like centipedes. So 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 4 is 16, and plus 5 is 11. So we indeed have the correct number of people. And let's read the question again. How many students like centipedes but not ladybugs? We have our answer here. So the number of students who like centipedes but not ladybugs is 5.